Okay, so WooCommerce is where you start, where you do the order. So I'm going to open the dashboard for you now for the WooCommerce so that you will see what is there. If you need to
I should be
edit,
doing it too, Abby.
please be doing what I'm doing. If you
Okay.
need to edit anything so that it's easy for you to edit, in terms of maybe you want to edit the account number, you
Mm.
want to edit the address. So this is where you have all your summary of every transaction that has been done.
Okay.
Okay, because you've not done any transaction
Mm.
in July, so that's why you. So let's check last month if there has been any transaction last month. Okay, so these are transactions that happened last month. These are when we're just doing the
How
test.
did you get there? Mm.
So I just click this for commander in the dashboard.
Mm-hmm.
You
I
can
mean,
do
how
the
did you pop these ones out?
like here when you come to the dashboard, you can come to the date range. You can get transaction between a particular date. Maybe you want to do the odd dates.
Okay, okay, I've seen it.
Yeah, you can do maybe yesterday, last week. You can do custom. You can pick a particular time to a particular time. So you
Okay.
can get the transactions that have happened. So everything is plain.
Mm.
So the next point is orders.
Sorry, hold on. So now when I go to the date range, I'm seeing custom.
Yeah,
So I clicked on last month.
you can select a particular date to a particular date.
Okay, then click on update, Abby.
Yeah, once you click on update, so
Okay.
it will give you those particular dates alone
All
that
right.
you want to check. Maybe the transaction that happened during that period. Maybe there's a client that is calling that I made a payment during this period and all those things. So you can go and
Mm,
check the dashboard to see how much that was paid and all those
mm.
things. Product. So the next thing is orders. Okay, so on orders, these are the people that have made order on the website. Can you see the order dashboard?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so for example, now let's look at Oyindamade Maria. So she made an order on the 19th, on June 19th. The order is completed. So we can click it here to check the order she made. Okay, so this is our order invoice.
Mm,
So she paid via bank transfer. She paid on the June 19th at exactly this time. So these are the things that she requested. She ordered for a shaki, 1 kg. Quantity is 1. This is the time. So this is the billing address. This is where she wants it to be. She gives her email address and her phone number.
okay.
All these ones are just tests. So someone that was just testing
Yeah.
again.
Mm,
Yeah. So when someone make an order, so let's go back to a product now. Let's say for example, now I want to visit the website. I want to make an order. So we're going to make an order now so that we can explain that part very well.
okay. So the ones that are showing on hold, what do they mean?
The ones I'm showing
What
where
on hold?
I want to explain. So let's go to the website. Let's do as if I want to make an order. That's
Okay.
where I can explain it better.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to order for quarter ram.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to add it to cart now. Then I'll add beef also to cart.
Okay.
Okay, so I've added all these products to cart
Mm.
that I want. So I'm going to proceed to checkout.
Okay.
So it's still loading. Okay, so I want to fill in my information. So, so this is it, address. So I've agreed to terms and conditions. So if you don't agree to this, it will not go through.
Yeah.
So this is bank because the only payments option that is activated on the website
Mm.
is direct bank transfer.
Yeah.
To make your payment directly into our bank account, please use your product type as the payment reference. I'm going to change it's supposed to be product ID, not product type. So place an order.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you. Your order has been received.
Mm.
So I just got an email now. So I'm going to
Okay.
show you the email I got now. So when a client make an order, immediately the client is going to get a
That's
notification
okay.
via email.
Mm.
Then you also that you are the so I'm going to I want to show you my screen, my email screen. Okay, so this is the
Okay.
email I got now. Thank you for
Mm.
your order. Hi Gabriel, thank you for your order. It's on hold until we confirm that the payment has been received. In the meantime, here's a reminder
Okay.
of what you ordered. Thank you for shopping with us. So send your payment details to info@lagosfoodmart if you have any complaints. So I've created all these email addresses. I will teach you
Okay.
how you access them too.
Access them. Okay, please can I take you back so I don't forget? Please thank you for shopping with us. We
Yes.
promise to
We
serve you
can
better
edit,
than you think. We can
to
edit
edit
it now, Abby.
it.
Okay.
I will show you where we will edit it.
Okay. All right.
So you can do all the editing. I've made it easy that you can do all the editing.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is the whole thing. So let me go back to. So now you as the admin, now eh, you're going to get a notification
Okay.
that someone has made an order. You
Okay.
get it on info. But at the same time too, if you're on the dashboard here on orders,
Mm. I
I'm
should
back here
see.
now. You will definitely see it. You see that the order is on hold.
Let me refresh my page.
Yeah, please refresh it. You see it now.
Okay. Yeah, it's there.
Are you in?
Yes, it's there.
Yeah, so this is the order.
Mm.
So the order ID is 9964.
Mm-hmm.
You can check other ID. So when they make payments, so that's why we correct that page that you can send in your other ID. So
Other
it's easy
ID.
to check.
Okay.
So this payment or this transaction was done 2 minutes ago and it
Minutes
is
ago.
still on hold. So
Okay.
you are the back end, and let's say you receive the payment,
Mm.
you know it's still on hold. That means that
Mm-hmm.
payment has not been done.
Mm-hmm.
So you see the person's order here. This is what the person wants. Assorted meat, full goats, and all those things. So the
Mm-hmm.
delivery charge is 1,500.
Mm-hmm.
So this is what all the thing the person wanted. The shipping cost is 1,500 total order. So let's say you want to, so you come to this place, order action.
Other action.
Yeah.
Okay.
Um, okay, sorry. Not so this place, when you come to this place, let's say the person is complaining that I didn't get an invoice. Maybe the
Mm.
person call you. So you can email the invoice again to the customer.
Okay.
Yeah, so but here on the status here, it is still on hold. You
Mm.
can change the status to maybe
Processing.
payment pending,
Okay.
or if the person has paid, you can change it to completed.
Okay.
Sorry, please, no, sorry, please hold on.
Mm.
Yes, yeah, Friday tomorrow. Yes, we return the phone. He said he needs to move all his stuff on the phone. Okay, sorry. So if you
Mm.
remove, if you receive payment,
Mm.
so you can change it here to completed. That means that, okay, all transactions have been completed. If it is
Mm-hmm.
refund, you can change it to refund. If it is a failed transaction, if it is cancelled, if you cancel that transaction, if it's still on hold, if it's a pending payment, so you can change it here to
Okay.
any status of that client at that moment.
Mm.
So let's just say that it is a completed transaction, you receive the money
Mm.
from the client. So once you click this completed here, you do updates.
Where's the
And
update? Okay. Okay.
yeah,
Under action.
yeah, you click updates.
Mm. Okay.
So sorry, my system is holding. So the order have been updated.
Okay.
So let's go back to orders. So this is completed now.
Completed. Mm.
Yeah, so that means that the person has made payment. If you come to dashboard now, you can see the
Mm.
sum.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can see it now.
Mm.
Total sale for this month that we stay at, items sold, 3 items have been sold this month.
Mm.
So you can see all the things that have been sold. These are maybe the past month versus this month.
Mm.
So this gives you a summary, an audit summary of everything that is happening on your website.
Right. Okay.
So, so if you want to check your customers, you can see it here. You see customers.
Mm.
So you see the name of the person, when the person signed up, the order, the total amount spent, the region, the city.
Mm.
So you see all those things are just tests that I was doing before.
Mm.
So once you're ready, you can delete everything so that
Okay.
you can have your accurate figures and all that.
Yeah.
When you're ready for that, you just do all the deleting.
How do I
Okay, so
delete? Just highlight them and then where's the
and
delete
then
button?
what did you say, please?
I said, how do I delete? Just highlight them and
Yeah, I think there should be a place to comment. I'll try and get. I'll try and fix that part.
Okay.
I'll try and fix that part. Okay, so what else again? So you can come to settings. So that place I say you want to change the information.
Mm-hmm.
So you come to settings.
Mm-hmm.
You can see settings. We are still within this WooCommerce
Mm.
settings. Okay. So this is your address.
Mm.
This is your address. This is the city, the country, the zip code. So you are selling to all countries.
Okay.
So enable tax. So the currency is Nigeria. I've done all the settings already.
Okay.
So this is where you're. So if you want to change your account details,
Mm.
so you come here, accounts and privacy.
Okay.
Sorry, payment. So it's payments, not
All
account and
right.
privacy. Payments. So we activated only direct bank transfer
Mm.
since actually we are working with for
Okay.
now. So once you activate your what's it called?
Pay stop.
That bank. So I'll configure that one for you for online payments.
Okay.
Mhm. So you can manage, you can click manage here. This is where you can change the account number.
Mm. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
So the title is direct, enable bank transfer, direct bank transfer. So make your payment directly into our bank account. That's that stuff that was here that was showing that time. So this is your ID.
Mm. Yeah.
So you say you want to change something here.
Our medicine.
Yeah.
Our medicine for
Sorry,
blood.
please. I didn't forget. Hold on.
You did, yes? He just went upstairs.
Sorry, now I'm in a meeting. Sorry. Sorry, Gabriel, please.
No problem, no problem. Take your time when you're ready.
No. I don't think they will look at it. You're not giving me one year. Take. You can't put it back.
What's this one?
Mm. It's a hippo.
Wow. A hippo. A hippo.
Mm.
It's like Bestie.
Mm.
This is our going.
All right, bye. No, go.
Cheetah.
Sorry.
I cannot say cheetah.
Thank you, Go. Thank you. Bye bye. Let's start the door, please. Thank you. Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah, it's cool. The making. Okay, you're back.
Mm.
Okay, so you said you wanted to edit something here, right?
Yes, thank you for shopping with us. We promise to
So
serve you better than you think.
you can
Uh,
you can actually do that later. It's not an issue.
Later, yes.
You can take your time. If you have any questions, just let me know.
Okay.
So that you do. So the account details is here. So in case
Mm.
you want to add more accounts
Okay.
here, account name, account number,
Mm.
maybe the bank name. If you have a source code, IBM, maybe it's an international bank account.
Mm.
So after you've done any other thing, just click save changes.
Okay.
That one you can change it. You can post it like that. You get just like the making of the yeah.
Cash on delivery stick.
Okay, so what else again do I need to let you know here? The payment has been found, that can be confirmed. Customer. So will you guys be doing anything like coupon?
Like what? Coupons. That's for we should.
Okay, so let's say you want to give people coupon.
Hmm.
So you can create a coupon here. You can create your coupon.
Okay.
So you can generate a coupon code, or you
Okay.
can create one yourself. Let's
Hmm.
say favors 2020. So you want the coupon to expire tomorrow.
Hmm.
Hope you are seeing everything I'm doing, please.
Yes. Okay.
So you can publish it.
Yes, publish.
Yeah, this but you have already clicked publish.
Okay.
Let's try and create. Let's try and make an order.
Okay.
Um,
There's no price attached to it.
Okay. How you starting? Oh, I don't use underscore. This the space to competitive. So add to cart.
Mm-hmm.
So since I have a coupon code, so you'll have sent the code to the people you want to send it to or whoever qualifies for the code.
Hmm.
So apply coupon. The coupon is supposed to be added already.
It's not reflecting.
So just a minute, please.
Hmm.
So I'm just trying to just know why it's not working because it was actually work. I'm going to add another thing to it. Okay, let's just I'll try and fix. I don't know why it's not working. I'll try and check it again and fix it. So I'll let you know. Definitely, it's I don't know. Maybe I'll try and fix it. Let's just move on. Are you still there?
I'm here.
Okay, so let's go straight to the main part of adding a product. So here is where you had products. So you come to product.
What's the meaning of SKU?
Yeah, I will tell you. That's the stock. That's the number of stock. Like for example, now
Okay.
if you want to know the number of stock in your this thing, just like numbers to know. Okay, I have 18 stock.
Yeah.
I have 18. Just to number your stocks.
Right.
That's SKU. So let's say you need to add a product, for example, now. Let me try and open. Okay, cool. So let's say we need to add a product to the website. So you come to here, add new. Can you see it? Hello, are you still there? Are you still there?
Yes, I'm here. It went off briefly.
What did you say?
I said yes, I'm here. It went off briefly. I guess network.
Oh, okay. Okay, so you come to add new. Did you know how I got to products? From here, I just did
Yeah,
product.
from the menu.
Yeah, so add new product.
Okay.
So let's say I want to add Gary. I think you sent yellow Gary. Yellow. So here you can give maybe a description about the yellow Gary. Just do the SEO for now. So can you see how I did this? The yellow Gary. You can add a description about the yellow Gary. Maybe it's LP or something like that. Then I can do a product short description. These are people will see first.
Okay.
Maybe yellow Gary. You can just put whatever this thing is there.
Yeah, fine yellow Gary.
So you come to your inventory. So I think the last one was 18. So make it 19. Your inventory is just to just know the number of stocks. Just start keeping units. It's just the number of stock that you have that you.
Right, available.
Yeah, so you go to general. So the regular price. Let's say the regular price is 8,000. So you can hear me now. Okay, so let's say the sales price is 5,000. So for example, let's say regular price that they're selling it is 8K, but you want to sell your own for 5K. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can do that. Then what I think that is just the basic thing you should really involve yourself into in this aspect. Just the two things, general and inventory. So the product is still in stock. Let's say for example now, the product is not in stock again. You can change it to the out of stock. But since it is still in stock, you just leave it as in stock. Okay, so you come to this side. This side is also very, very important. Where you do your categories.
Okay.
So all your categories should take the food stuff first. Now you add a new category called Gary. So add new category. So automatically to pick it. So Gary is a dry food now, Abby. So you can check it also. So that when they search for dry food, Gary will come. When they search for foodstuffs, Gary will come. When they search for Gary, it will show also. So you can also add yellow Gary. I think there are different kinds of Gary. There's yellow Gary, there's white. So you can make that yellow, you can make it a parent category of Gary. So Gary is like a parent category. Under Gary, there's yellow Gary. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
What I'm doing? Then there's also white Gary. Parent category is Gary. Admin category. So, but the main one that we are selling is yellow Gary. That's the primary. So product image. You want to add an image. So you just do set product image. So you do upload files, select file. So you go to where you have the location. So I think these are the products. So let's use this for example now. You click this, you click open. I think it's on this one. Look at it in my folder. So please, your alternate text, change it to yellow Gary. Anytime you upload a product, this space of alternate text, you put the name. So that the reason is because sometimes, maybe due to network is not showing very well. So some images might be broken. So instead of people not to know what is there, it will pick up the alternate text that you are using in place of the gallery. So you just click set product image. So let's say it has other images, maybe the back view, the front view.
Mm.
You understand? That's when you can add more product gallery. So let me just pick this again. Let's say there are more. I think this is another one again. I think I've seen one. I don't know if this is Gary or rice.
That's nice.
That's what?
Right.
Oh, this is a rice.
Mm.
Okay.
There's another Gary somewhere.
Yeah, I've seen one.
But it's in a bowl, I think, not in
Yeah,
the.
definitely. I've seen it. I'm dragging it now. Mhm. So here on the yellow Gary. So we can select as many as possible
Mm.
and do add to gallery. So when you are done with all the things that you are trying to do,
Mm.
so you just click publish.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's try and view the product.
Okay.
So right click and you do. So this is it's a yellow guy. So this is the product here.
Mm-hmm.
Is the category. So add to cart. So these are the other images that are with the gallery. So you want to see the front, the back. Let's say you put all those images.
Mm.
So the sales price is 8,000, but we are selling it for 5,000.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
So that's like a 38% difference from every other person.
Mm.
Because so this is I said that product description you can put it. So you have other related um products. It's just
Okay.
showing you that. So I've not added it here, so I'll add it here later under dry food, Gary. So if you want to do, let me just quickly show you in case you need to maybe add something to the menu. For
Mm.
example, under dry food, you want to add, there's melon, there's shrimp, you can add Gary here.
Okay.
So here you come to appearance, then menu.
Still under product appearance.
What did you say?
Still under product appearance,
No,
right?
no, no, it's not that product again. It's another dashboard. You know what? Don't just when you do anything,
Okay,
this thing,
appearance is under.
just let me know.
Okay.
Yeah, just let me can just send it to me. I can just um do that. I've not created it. So let's come back to our product.
Okay.
So this is just yellow Gary, right?
Mm-hmm.
Are you seeing me?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, so let's say for example now you want to create normal Gary,
Mm.
like a product called Gary.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can, so instead of you doing add new, like
Mm.
starting up the processes again. So I've actually created something here called clone.
Okay.
When you over and you can just do clone.
Mm.
Mm. Okay. So this is after I did the cloning,
Mm.
you duplicated it and made this one draft.
Okay.
It's just to make the work easy. So you can just, what you need to do is just to over on this edit,
Mm.
right click it, and just click edit it. So you just edit that one.
Mm-hmm.
It's loading. Sorry, just a minute. So it's still loading. So now this is it has finished loading. So this phase, it's still calling it yellow because you just duplicated it.
Mm.
But how you know the difference is you will make it two.
Okay.
So you can edit it to white Gary and click edit in this space and turn it to white Gary. Then you click OK. Then you can change all this content to
Mm.
white Gary. White line. So the inventory, we change the inventory to 20.
Mm-hmm.
General, or let's say this one is 10,000 naira.
Mm.
And you're selling it for, let's say, maybe it's the same price. You're not changing anything there. So you can change the image now. Since it's white Gary that you're dealing with. No, I think this is a Gary. So I've already selected the image.
Okay.
Because that's on my system, so it's easy for me to just drag and drop it.
Mm.
So white Gary. So you can remove all these ones and add new product. So the other products of the white guy, let's say the back or something.
Mm.
But I can't really see it. Really see it. Excuse me.
Yeah.
So you come to your category. So since it's white Gary that is the major Gary we are talking about,
Mm-hmm.
the primary menu here. So white Gary becomes primary, then you just publish it.
Okay.
So let's view the product. Okay, so you can see the white guy here.
Mm.
Mm. So blindfold, I've already added the category of Gary.
Mhm.
So these are the pictures that I'm showing for Gary.
Mhm.
They're all else here. So let's say, for example, now I come to the website and I want to come and search for a product.
Mhm.
Let's say, for example, I'm searching online, and online on your website, I want to search for a product. Let's say I want to search for Gary, or let's just use Gary as an example. Search. So can you say that I can give me results of Gary?
Mhm.
Are you still there?
I'm here. Mhm. You're recording this again?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so you can actually send me the audio when you're done.
Okay, no problem. So let's say I come to your website and I want to search for, let's say, meat.
Mm.
Search. So it will bring everything under the category of meat. So you are seeing one meat, assorted meat.
Mhm.
The same way, if I want to search for, let's say, yam,
Mm.
if there's anything like that, it will bring it out.
Mhm.
I will search.
You search for it. Okay, so there is no product called yam yet
Mm.
on the website. I thought we had to. Okay, it's potato that we have.
Mm.
So these are. So any question like from what you've done?
So far, no, it's probably when I'm trying to do it myself that when I have questions. That's what I'm doing.
You know, so
Okay, then
so that's already shown here. This is what we did now. The white guy is already here.
mm,
So I'll visit market.
like that picture down of the man, how do you change it?
Like what place?
That picture
Which one? Let me go back.
of the man
Let me go back to the home page so that you.
the website.
Yeah, it's loading. Okay, so what image are
Just
you?
scroll up. Like all these images now, can they be changed?
All these ones
Yeah, this one, the
is
big.
definitely all the images can be changed. They were all created so they can be changed.
Okay, so where do we go to change? Like this one where your pointer is now, for instance.
Like this one.
Yes.
And for this, I might be doing to handle it.
Okay, and
Then
then scroll up.
it's more of the advanced parts to change that part.
Okay, and scroll up. That the man. Okay, so all of these pictures too. The same
All of
thing
these
where you
pictures,
have the grocery shopping,
you
food,
can change
fresh
all of
food.
them. If you have a specific picture
Mm,
or a write-up, I'm the one that created all these things. So if you have a specific picture, a write-up, or any,
mm,
we can change everything. Just let me know.
okay.
Mhm. So we can change
Then,
picture, change prices.
yeah, is this guy I was talking about?
Huh?
No, I said it's that guy I was talking about. I think it was a website.
Then this part
So they
two,
can all be changed.
this FAQ part two, just send me all the FAQs.
Okay.
So basically, so if you want to change all this content, all these guys, you can change everything.
Mm-hmm.
Then for customer review, I think you said you want something like that. So that's why I just put it here. So once we have the customer review, it will
Mm-hmm.
start showing here itself. And I think you spoke about blog too, that you want to have
Blog,
an
yeah.
blog. So once
Mm-hmm.
it's ready to, it starts showing here. And we can make it as a menu also.
Okay.
Exactly.
So, why do you have the menu on this part and you have the drop down there too?
I didn't get that, please.
You have everything on the drop down is
Yeah.
showing on the dashboard as well.
Everything on which part? I didn't get that.
Everything you have on the drop down now, where you put shop by category, all these things, they are on the dashboard as well, where you have home, dried food, meat. Is it supposed to be so?
No, it's not all of them. This is by category. So what this is just that it's just making it's
The
just
search
making the
easier.
browsing experience easier.
Okay.
You understand? So
Okay.
like I think if you're on mobile, this might not show on mobile. I I think I didn't set it to show on mobile.
It shows them.
Okay,
It
it's
shows.
showing. So it wants to have
Mm.
what the thing is, the whole thing about an e-commerce website is just make it easy for people to be able to like get to
Navigate.
wherever they are going.
Mm.
They are here to shop. They are not here to do. They are not here to look for how the website is. They just want
Mm.
to shop by category or shop by anyhow they can just get it.
Anyhow, yeah.
So that's why when you land on the website, it is food. It is the category. Start buying. No
Mm.
need of just
Mm.
go straight to shop and
Yeah.
do whatever you want. It's an e-commerce website. It's a market that you are.
Market. Yeah.
That's why all these other stories they are downward.
Mm.
That's
Okay.
even between your website and the other one that you gave me as reference.
Okay.
This will pull attention for me to buy stuff. I'm not. I
Mm.
don't want to start first with frequently asked questions,
Frequently asked questions,
all those things,
exactly.
or maybe customer review. Let me come
Mm.
and buy. When I'm done, then I can now come back and start checking. Okay, what do they have and all those things. So the whole experience of
Yeah.
an e-commerce is for you to buy.
Okay.
You get. So I think the
Mm-hmm.
last part. So the last part I need to quickly train you with is the live chat support.
Okay.
Yeah. So the
Live
WhatsApp.
chat, and then when they place orders,
Yes,
the
we've done.
email.
Yeah, okay, yeah, the email. Okay, let's start with the email first.
Okay.
Let's start with the email first. So for you to
Then.
ask, for you to access the email,
Mm-hmm. This pack, the one you're using for life support, for, yeah, the
What is it?
customer care. I said the pack that you're using for customer care, I can download the mobile version again.
Yes, that's what I
Or
want you to.
app,
I
okay,
want you to download this mobile version.
okay.
It's called AKW. I will send it.
Okay.
I will send it to your WhatsApp now.
So I can go to Play Store and download it.
Yeah, just go to Google Play Store and download
Um,
it.
okay.
Let me try and get the password. So we can just quickly download it now.
Yes, believe it.
This bed is their logo.
Hmm?
This is how you know it. This bed is their logo on place.
I'm almost done downloading it.
Oh, okay, very good. Very, very good.
Okay, no problem. Okay, yeah, open.
Okay, so just you all you need to do is you are signing in. You're not signing up. I'll
Hmm.
show you the username is info at Lagos Food Mart.
Info. Lagos,
That's the info. Then I'm sending you the password now on WhatsApp. Hmm? Telling you. It's not coming.
Expire. What's the one?
Yeah, Ziba. That's the problem. She started with me.
Sorry, I'm calling now.
Coming
Mommy, what is
now.
Can you do the one talking with me? It's called.
Okay, so the username is info at lagosmart.com and the password is at Lagos Food 123.
Hmm? Password. Okay, the same
No,
password
it's
as
not
well.
this,
Okay, no mark. Yeah, I
not
think.
the same one.
I think. Info at lagosfoodmart.com.
Yeah,
Then at Lagos Food 123, right?
exactly.
Is that capital? Let me check. It's wrong.
The Lagos is capital.
The Lagos is capital.
Yes,
The food
please.
is small, abi? Okay. I'm in.
Okay, are you in?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so I want you to okay, so can you see, are you receiving any notification on the browsing on your, so here
Yes.
there's something
No,
called monitoring. Can you see monitoring?
monitoring on my own. Yes, I can see monitoring.
Okay, so you will notice that for every person that is visiting the website,
Mm-hmm.
it
It's
will be
true.
showing you where the person is, the page that the
Yeah.
person is.
Half covered. Okay.
It's on that stuff you'll be checking it on what you are doing, not on the
No,
screen.
I know. I'm seeing it from the monitoring page.
Exactly. So if anybody is on your website, you can initiate a conversation. So initiate a conversation with me.
Okay.
You can initiate a conversation yourself with that person. And like, hello, we notice that you are visiting our livestock, something.
Yeah. How do I do the
I
conversation?
just
Messaging. Because on the monitoring page, it's showing charts and then visitors.
yeah, chat, just do the chat.
No, it's not giving any. Okay, so I should probably just do. Yeah, you chat.
Can you hear that sound?
Yes.
That sound is to tell you that somebody is trying to chat up with you.
Mm.
Can you, before I finish typing, you will have been saying things I'm already typing.
Yeah.
So try and respond back.
Okay. How do I respond?
You will see just like normal chat that you chat.
It's showing me Lagos food mart. I should just click on one. It's showing Lagos food mart, then join.
Yeah, click it, yes, just click it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so did you get another notification now?
Just now.
Yeah,
No, I
that's
did
straight.
not.
So what's this
It just
telling you?
showed me where you navigated to that you went to choose.
Okay, so did you get another notification that maybe somebody else is on your website?
No, I did not. Oh,
Me, I can see it on the web. If you can see it, somebody else is visiting your website somewhere else.
okay.
You should be
Okay.
able to see it too.
I'm only seeing one visitor. It's still showing me just one visitor.
There's another
Okay.
notification. Did you
Yes,
get
I just got it. Yes.
did you get a notification?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, so that somebody else is trying to visit your website.
Okay.
So I'm using another computer. So can you see the person's movement? I want you to be able to differentiate.
Yeah, the
So,
person just wants to go to it.
yeah, the person just went to goat, right?
Hmm. Party.
Okay, so that's it. So that's how you monitor movement on your website. That is easy. So if anybody visits the website, you get a notification. You can see what the person is doing. You understand? If you want to
Yeah.
initiate a conversation with the person, you can initiate. You can know where the person is actually chatting from, the kind of system the person is using.
Mm.
Let me first. Huh? But they have been replies now. Okay, so you can see the person's movements now, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm trying to do multiple movements at the same time. Okay. So I think that live chat part is set, right?
Yeah.
So it's easy for you to know when somebody is visiting. You can initiate the chat, or when they chat you up, you can respond.
Mhm.
Okay, so let me show you the email. You also access emails, that info email,
Mm.
because that's where most messages will be going to. When they make their order, we said they should send an email to info.
Mm-hmm.
So this is how you access it. Lagos Food Mart /w/webmail. I'll send you the URL now.
Mm-hmm. You want me to log on my phone, or I can just watch?
You can use the system.
Okay. So email address,
The email address is
info.
info.
Mm-hmm. Password.
The same password at Lagos Food 123.
Mm-hmm. So you can hear their voices because I put up the journey. And then,
Okay, can you see my like? Hope is the same thing that we are saying.
yeah.
Okay. All right. So these are orders that came in. So you as the admin, I told you that you get a notification when orders come in. We are going to do a test now. to make
We're
sure
going
that
to do.
we're going to make an order now.
Mm-hmm.
You understand?
Mm.
Okay, so let me try and order for yellow Gary. So add to cart. Okay, so I'm going to update my cart now.
Mm-hmm.
Update, proceed to checkout. Okay, so I've not accepted the terms and conditions.
Okay.
It has been accepted. Please hold on.
So this terms and conditions now, if somebody clicks on it, is there like a redirect to the terms and conditions?
No, when you're ready, just let me know your terms and conditions. We'll put this in a private policy.
Okay.
Mm. Okay, so I've already placed an order.
Mm. Okay, just give me.
Did you get the email?
Yes, you just give me.
Perfect. So you have a receiving order from the brochure and the so this is what the person wants. This is the billing address, this is the shipping address,
Mm.
calculations on your sale. So me too, I've gotten an email also that I just made an order from your website.
Okay.
So you can easily call the person or treat the order that you got since all the
Mm.
information are here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so at the same time, so your dashboard here, your WooCommerce orders, you also see it on your dashboard.
Mm.
You see the order ID 9973.
Yeah.
That's the order. So in case anybody say I made an order, so you say, please, what is your order ID so we can trace it.
Mm.
Okay, so this is it here.
Okay.
So you can open it to check it. So as I said, you can change it here to maybe completed and just update.
Okay. Now let me quotation. Actually, not yet. Okay. Okay. So once I do completed here, the client is supposed to receive a mail, right?
Yes, the client will receive an email that your order have been approved. Yes,
Okay.
exactly. So all the emails you just get here is just for order,
Okay.
maybe there's an order or anything. So once the payment has been confirmed, you just change it, and the client is going to get an email. Okay, so any question?
So far, no. No.
Okay, so any other question? Do we need to go over any other thing?
No, so far, I think I'm good. Like I said, if I'm trying to do anything and I have any challenge, I'll call you. But so far, I'm clear with everything you've done, and I was taking down notes. So.
Okay, no problem. Please just let me know if there's any issue you need to update.